Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can get current window handle. So there are two ways, one is selenium way and another is nRoBo way. So we are going to see both ways. So let's start creating test. Test get current window handle. Get the driver and Google instance from nRoBo and we will get current window handle top string and let's create page object passing driver and Google instance reference and open page URL and click on multiple windows link. This is the link to multiple windows link, but there is no need here in this example. So what does this URL does is opens this page and then we will get the window handle. Let's print that window handle and log current window handle is equal to page dot current window handle. This is selenium way to get current window handle using the current window handle property. And let's get the current window handle in nRoBo way, wherein we will call Windows property that is returning dictionary of current window handle with title and window handle pair. So this Windows title is the internet, so we will pass subscript by that key, title key, that is the internet. So let's run the test. I'm gonna key, post method name and test started running and opening URL, and that's it. Let's see the report. Here we can see both are returning the same window handle. Right. You can use any of these two methods, but I think nRoBo method property is very good one that everyone should use. Thank you.